team actually, both parents at saka yung swimmers very hardworking kasi 5 o'clock in the morning, kailangan pumunta sa pool at para mag-train. And then after that, by 7 o'clock, kailangan pumunta na sa school. Yeah, yun, hardworking both parents and swimmers.
Hello, I'm Julia Halabaso, team captain of the UPIS Varsity Swimming Team.
Hi, I'm Kevin Chan and I'm the team captain of the UPIS Varsity Swimming Team.
Good morning, Coach Bernie, UPIS Swimming Team head coach.
Masasabi ko yung samahan ng team namin, very open at approachable bawat isa sa amin. So, importante yun, lalo na kasi kailangan namin ng support sa both academics at sa competitions.
Actually, yung pinakang ano pa rin namin for 6 years, wala pa rin kami swimming pool ito yung pool na hiniram lang namin sometimes. May nagre-rent, hindi namin magamit. Mostly, lalo na last year, almost 4 to 5 times a week may gumagamit ng pool. Hindi kami maka-access ng pool. Yun ang naging problema namin last. Naghanap kami ng pool. Sometimes we go to Marikina after the class. And then, kung may available dito, papasok kami. Talaga yung oras, nag-aabot kami sa oras ng klase at sa oras ng training. Yun lang naman ang pinakang problema namin.
Tuwing training, yung pool kasi namin hindi siya standard size. So, 40 meters lang to, which dapat 50 meters yung pool. So, yun yung isa sa mga pinakamalaking hamon namin kapag training. Pero fortunately, yung ibang swimmers, club swimmers, so kompleto yung meters ng pool nila. So, para malagpasan namin tong hamon na to sa ibang swimmers, nag-training kami sa mga venue na standard size, so sa Marikina or sa Amoranto Pool. Ito isa lang talaga kasi unang-una libre lang yung pag-swim dito, pero yung sa iba parang bihira lang talaga. So kailangan talaga namin magpa-reserve at magbayad for that.
I think na yung pinakamalaking hamon sa amin is kulang kami sa funds ngayon. So, nalalampasan namin siya by doing fundraisings, mga solicitations. Tapos this year din, nag-host kami ng competition which is a big help for us.
So, yung former coach ko, lagi na sinasabi sa akin talaga, well, sa amin, sa training, na kahit anong mangyari, it's all in the mind. As in, kahit gano'n kahirap yung training, kahit na sumasakit na yung katawan ko, kahit feeling ko nalulunod na ako, tsaka parang kahit yung feeling ko na ayokong bumangon para lang lumangoy at 4 a.m. Sinasabi niya parati sa akin na it's all in the mind. So, gusto kong parating sa mga other swimmers na lahat ng gagawin nila, it's always on their mind talaga. So, so for me talaga, it's always asking my coach kung ano yung dapat kong gawin. Kasi kung wari, yun nga, injuries. Malaking factor yun talaga sa trainings and sa atin in general, sa athletes. So, ayun nga, syempre di ka naman madi-discourage kapag na-injure ka. Kailangan mong gawan ng paraan yan para di ba, maagapan tsaka matreat siya. Kasi need ka ng team, need ka ng coach mo, need ka ng teammates mo, and need ka ng school as representative.
Gusto ko yung personal best times ko sa UAP this year. And gusto ko makakuha ng ROTY from the next following years po. And ang gusto ko din matutunan is time balancing my ACADS and training and pakikisama ng team.
Yung team naman yun, lalo ng mga women's girls team, parating naman nasa podium sila And then, yung boys lumalaban naman, kaso talagang sobrang konti lang nila. Yun ang problema namin. Last year, 5 lang yung boys For hanggang third day, leading kami, pero yung last day na, fourth day, sobrang wala na swimmers, wala na talaga. Kaya kailangan ko ngayon mag-recruit ng swimmers.
Mag-drop ng times, tapos hopefully third place overall.
Individually talaga nagte-training kami very hard. Tapos may required attendance kami na kailangan ma-reach. So para siguradong makamit yung mga goals na yun this year. So this season, ang goal talaga namin ay mag-podium yung boys and girls sa UAAP and hopefully maraming individual medals from the team and may mga sa amin pa rin ang Rookie of the Year.